energy for the type of food you eat, then you are blessed. So I have given 5 factors, but lifestyle, in the long run, this is the one which is really of core importance. Even your lifestyle of proper exercise and proper diet can have a lasting mark on age. You must have seen, you can see people who are 50 plus, but they are so fit, they have got a very good body, they look very nice, and so they have a higher metabolism because they have taken care of this type. So now let us go back and let us go to how to increase metabolism. Metabolism, if you want to increase your metabolism, the rate at which your body burns energy faster, exercise, proper exercise, to maintain lean muscle mass. Now, lean muscle mass, the lean muscle mass which you have in your body, all your major muscles, if you exercise those muscles, and if you have that, consistently, if you exercise your muscles to develop lean muscle mass, it is responsible for having a higher metabolism. So the type of exercise which is required to develop lean muscle mass is normal aerobic exercise, jogging, running, skipping, swimming. Bodyweight exercises, push-ups, pull-ups, simple bodyweight exercise, and a little bit of strength training. Exercise deserves a separate topic, which I'm going to give us, I'm going to talk about in a different video. But this is what you require is exercise to maintain lean muscle mass. Since I lost 50 kilograms, 110 pounds in 2001, I have been able to have a higher metabolism because for 9 years I have maintained my lean muscle mass. It doesn't take too much effort, not at all. What it takes is, what it takes is just to have it as a part of your lifestyle. So maintaining, having a consistent habit of exercising and maintaining that lean muscle mass is what has helped me to maintain a higher metabolism. Eat healthy, proper diet, and frequently. Small meals. You must have heard many times, more people. I can not emphasize what eating small meals in a day will do to your health, will do to your metabolism, will help in developing lean muscle mass. Don't eat too much food at a time. Try to split that into smaller meals. It is very, very effective. It's been 9 years I have been living with this eating pattern, and oh my God, it's like my metabolism is always skyrocketing high because of this habit which I have inherited. I used to eat I used to get involved into gluttony, too much of food previously, and slowly I changed it into eating small meal habits, and it is it is amazing. There's a complete scientific and biological evidence behind that. You can go to many fitness experts it is tried and tested. Eating small meals. What kind of diet you should have in those small meals is what I'm going to talk in my next in a separate videos titled Eating Healthy Small Meals. 3. Drink more water. Our body is 70 to 75% water, so you should drink more water. So how to increase metabolism? Exercise to maintain first to develop lean muscle mass and then to maintain it. Then eat healthy and frequently small meals and drink more water. Metabolism this word, you when you hear it from various people, and they people try to someone tries to give a very try give a commercial touch. There is nothing like that. Metabolism is the rate at which your body will burn energy, and that indicator is, I told you, BMR, basic metabolic rate. How do you calculate basic metabolic rate is what my next video will tell you, which will be titled basic metabolic rate. So I hope you have understood metabolism correctly. A lifestyle which I have been talking consistently on my talk sessions, my healthy lifestyle equation, will help you achieve a higher metabolism. If you have any questions you want to ask, you are more than welcome to give me your questions or your suggestions on feedback@weightlossglory.com. Since I am receiving a lot of emails on a daily basis, sometimes I might not be able to address individual queries, but I'll try to answer your questions as much as